Hi folks, today I would like to experiment with Wi-Fi signal strength. I have these cheap 8266 boards laying around and I want to experiment attaching external antenna to extend the signal quality with attaching a wire to the integrated antenna. A lot of people say that it is not possible, but what can we do? Try it out. Let's power the things on. With the onboard antenna we have about 80 decibels. The power consumption with the onboard antenna is like so. I use standard wire from an Ethernet cable. Bend the leg a bit. We definitely got a better signal quality. The antenna is now about 8 centimeters long. The power consumption looks like this. For the test, I will shorten the length of the cable and see what's happening. So what we can see that the signal strength is very much depending on the length of the antenna. So that's all for now. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.